Hello dear students, our today's topic is fluid energy mill of chapter size reduction. This is very important topic of size reduction in pharmaceutical engineering, and fluid energy mill is very useful nowadays for pharmaceutical industry. Contents for today's lecture: principle of fluid energy mill, its working, construction, uses, advantages and disadvantages of fluid energy mill. First one is a principle. Principle of fluid energy mill is impact and attrition. It means fluid energy mill is working on the principle of impact and attrition. Milling takes place because of high velocity collision between the suspended particles. Actually, in this equipment, the feedstock is suspended within a high velocity air stream. So impact and attrition both are possible. And now construction. The construction fluid energy mill consist of an elliptical pipe. It is actually shape of pipe, elliptical shape, which has a height of about 2 meter and diameter ranging from 20 to 200 millimeter. The mill surface may be made of either soft stainless steel or tough ceramic. Grinding nozzles, usually it's number 2 to 6, may be placed tangential and opposed to the initial flow path of a powder. Normally, compressed air of 600 kilopascal to 1 megapascal is used. Inert gases can be used to minimize or eliminate the oxidation of susceptible compounds. Now working. Powder is introduced through the inlet of Venturi. Actually, feeder is a Venturi type feeder. The air entering through the grinding nozzle transport the powder in the elliptical or circular track of the mill. In the turbulent stream of air, the suspended particles collide with each other and break. Thus, impact and attrition forces operate in size reduction. The resultant small particles entrapped by air, some air is entrapped during process, are carried to outlet and removed by cyclone separator. And this is a figure of fluid energy mill. This is a pipe, elliptical pipe, and here nozzles, grinding nozzles. Their number 2 to 6, and inlet for compressed air is from this side, and this is a feeder, feed solid inlet. This is Venturi feeder, and here impact and attrition both possible due to this compressed air. And this is a cyclone separator or classifier or back filter. We can say back filter or cyclone separator. Cyclone separator means this is actually cyclone separator working on the principle of centrifugation. The principle of cyclone separator is centrifugation, where solid particles retain and air are removed from this filter. And so this is outlet for fine particles, and particles can also recycle from this side and again join by this compressed air. So this is working, construction and principle of fluid energy mill. Now uses. It is used to reduce the particle size of most of the drugs such as antibiotics and vitamins. Ultra fine grinding is possible with fluid energy mill, and moderately hard material can be processed for size reduction. Now advantages: it has no moving parts, hence no heat generation. So it is highly required for thermolabile substances like sulfonamides, vitamins and antibiotics. There is no chance of contamination. The expansion of gases under reduced pressure sometimes produces cooling effect. So it is suitable for thermolabile substances. A few disadvantages also, like not suitable for soft, tacky and fibrous materials. It is expensive equipment and not easy to clean. Thank you. Thank you very much for patience listening.